On your smartphone, open the Facebook app and log into your account. Then tap this hamburger menu. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Go to your Facebook settings. In Settings, tap on Account Center. Under Account Center, tap on Your Information and Permissions. Tap on Export Your Information. Tap on Create Export. Select Export to Device. And here, tap on Customize Information. Tap on Clear All. Now, to back up all your photos, here you have to scroll down and select only Post. This post includes your Facebook all photos and videos. Tap on Save and tap on Notify. Enter here your email address, in which email address you want to get notify when your file is ready to download. Again, tap on Date Range, select here All Time. Tap on Save. And media quality, select high quality to download or backup high quality photos from Facebook. Now all you have to need, tap on Start Export. And now verify your Facebook account password. Once done, wait up to 3 to 5 hours to get the file in your email address, or you can just come to these settings again, and here you get the available download file. Just tap on download and you'll be able to easily back up your Facebook all photos.